Welcome back for another video. In the last video, we saw how to set up your fitness tracker and how to go about charging it. In this video, we are going to look at the basic functions of the smartwatch and how to use them. Also, how to go about viewing the results in the phone app. On the right side of the smartwatch, you can see the multifunction button. This button has the long press and short press functions. Using the long press and short press functions, you can control the different features of the smartwatch. At the back of the smartwatch, you can see the blinking light. This blinking light indicates the heart rate monitor, and it will start blinking when it comes in contact with your skin. Short press the function button once to turn on the display of the smartwatch. You can see that by default it indicates the current time. The time can be adjusted using the settings in the smartphone app. The battery indicator shows the remaining battery. Right now it is indicating that the battery is low. The Bluetooth sign indicates that it's connected to my phone. Short pressing the function button repeatedly will take you through the various features of the smartwatch. A heart rate monitor, pedometer, calorie counter, location tracker, and the menu option. We shall go over each of these functions. First, let's look at the heart rate monitor. Long press the function button to activate the heart rate monitor. Once activated, you'll have to put the smartwatch on for it to start tracking your heart rate. I'm going to put the smartwatch on to show you an example. The heart rate monitor will now show you the approximate heart rate. Depending on what activity you've been performing, the heart rate could vary. The heart rate would be slightly higher if you've just come back from physical activity or exercise. If you're at rest, the heart rate would be in the normal range. You can long press the button again to turn off the heart rate monitor. This will help save battery if you're not using the heart rate monitor. You can also disable the heart rate monitor from the settings in the app. On the main screen, you can see the time, you can see the date, you can see the Bluetooth connectivity and the battery status. The step counter shows you how many steps you've walked. Right now I haven't walked any, so it shows 0. The calorie counter shows you how many calories you've burned since you've been using the watch. The distance monitor shows you how much distance you've traveled while you've been wearing the smartwatch. The next is the settings option. Long press on the settings option to enter the settings mode. The first thing that you see in the settings is the device ID. Next, you see the gesture control. Long press to turn on or off the gesture controls, which basically means controlling your smartwatch display by the movement of your hand. So if you move the hand just as you would to see the time, it would turn on the display. That would happen if the gesture controls are on. You can control this setting by long pressing the multifunction button here. Next is the restart setting. Long press here to restart your smartwatch. And lastly, long press to exit the settings. The sports mode allows you to track the sports that you're currently performing. Long press to activate or deactivate. The device can also be set up to display call and other notifications from your phone if set up to do so using the phone app. On the home screen of the app, you are able to see various statistics such as how much distance you've traveled, how much time you've slept, your run tracking, and your heart rate tracking. You can also press on the plus icon to set up various settings such as sedentary reminder, shake for selfie, alarm, and also to locate your device. Using the settings option, you can control various settings such as which devices are connected, call notifications, SMS notifications, notifications for other apps, the upgrade firmware, device display, and anti-loss reminder. You can also clear the data on your smartwatch using the settings. You can also view various graphs and charts regarding your health in the charts option. You can see daily, weekly, and monthly progress in the charts. You can also edit your basic details using the profile option. You can even sign out from the app and sign in using the same or a different ID if you have multiple accounts. So that is how easy it is to use and control your smartwatch using the Syska Smart Fit app. With the settings now complete, you can now go ahead and use your smartwatch for your health tracking needs. Thank you for watching.